Let's skip to the good part. Turn it on. So today I'm sharing one of my favorite homemade hair treatment that nourishes, strengthens, and moisturizes my hair using just 3 ingredients that you may just find in your kitchen. So we are using 2 avocado, 1 egg, and I have my humectant. That is my honey. Yeah. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and nutrients that helps keeps your hair very soft, moisturized, and manageable. It also helps reduce dryness and improve the overall appearance of your hair. I also had to take my time and peel it off gently because it's an old and more softer avocado. And please make sure you're going to use an amount that is going to cover your hair. Don't say I'm using 2 avocados, so you are going to use 2. Take note. And finally, to the humectant. I need a natural humectant, which means it helps attract and retain moisture in the hair. This helps leave the hair feeling very soft and looking shiny. You're going to see my hair looking very shiny at the end of the video. So we are moving next to the eggs. We are going to use 1 egg, which contains protein and can help strengthen the hair strands and reduce breakage. This is why many people love adding eggs to their DIY hair treatments. So we're going to blend them together until I get a smooth, creamy consistency. You want to make sure there is no lump because this will make the application process much easier. So we're going to pour in a bowl. I got more than I was supposed to be honest. I got more than I was supposed to. So I had to keep some for another time. So yeah, I poured some into my applicator bottle. I had 2 applicator bottles. I had to pour them in. You're going to see the second applicator bottle in the shower when I'm applying. Yeah, so I poured it gently into the applicator bottle to fill it there. So here is the result of our avocado hair treatment. So we're going to apply it in the shower. Let's go. Yeah, so this is how we applying it gently to every section of our hair. So we work in section here at Elle's Empire. So if you're not someone who loves to work in section, don't come here. That was just by the way. So we're going to make sure every part of our hair is covered. And yeah, I was trying these comb on my hair and it was not that bad, but I had to stop and finger detangle. So yeah, I applied it to every part of my hair and I had to make sure I do it gently. Yeah, so I'm done with the other part and this is the last part I'm doing. So this is the second applicator bottle I was talking about. So we are done and then we are sitting under a steaming cup for 15 to 20 minutes and we're going to blow dry gently in the sections as well. So this is how I blow dry my hair. I didn't just go in with this. I had to put in a moisturizer, a leave-in first, a moisturizer. I used a liquid-based leave-in and I used a moisturizer and then I dried my hair. After that, I made sure I used a heat protectant as well. You're going to see it in my next video. That is where I'm going to show you the full wash day routine of this whole thing. Yeah, so I made sure I did this and then I applied a serum at the end and then this is the result that we got. Yeah. So this is actually the result. You see how shiny it looks and it really feels soft. Please remember that everyone's hair is different, so results may vary from person to person. But if your hair has been feeling dry, dull, or in need of a little extra care, this is a simple treatment that may be worth trying. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. If you've not liked the video, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.